Hello, everyone, and welcome to our weekly Financial Eagles trading session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. So let's start. Let me share the screen. Okay, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's start first with the Dow as the weekly time frame, guys. As you can see, here we had the trend line that was here, a strong trend line. Okay, it broke this trend line and then it goes up, retested. It was on it. Let me. Okay, look at this, all this trend. Look how many hits. Okay, so it was like a break of this area over here of this trend, retested this low and then pushed again, did a double top. It retested this area again, the same high, okay, equals highs, and it pushed down, guys, one way. So this week it opened even, let me remove, okay. It opened here, if you can see, we have high, okay, low, higher low, okay, higher low, and then high, like equal high, and then it pushed for a lower low, okay? So here I'm waiting for to see the market, how like we have F1C, we will see the push. It might do effect, it might not. So here it retested on this area again. So we might have like an opportunity to sell as swing, to be as swing. Okay, here as you can see on the daily, it's kind of flag. Let me put the 4 hours. Like as a trend, okay, over this area. Here we have a push. Here it retested this area. Here it started, as you can see, look here. And follow the market structure, guys. High, lower, high, lower, high. Look, low, lower, low, lower, low. Now higher low, and then a higher low. Okay. So as intraday, we might push it more up. Okay. So we will see even breaking this area. Look here, this 4 hours. Okay. That's a strong area over here. Look at this TT over here. Look at this area over here. Okay. So we will see if it breaks this area, we will push for an up like to this, maybe to those levels over here. Okay. As even we go to the 1 hour, look, we have 1, 2, 3. Now we will see the 4, that's the 38 Fibonacci. We will see if it started to retrace from this area, the golden zone there. I put my Fibonacci, guys. One second, my mouse is lagging a little bit. Okay, look at this. That's the golden zone. That's the 0.5 and 0.6 Fibonacci. I mark it this way. Okay, and that's if it push one way to this area, that's a great sniper gonna be over here. Okay, but we will see how much it's gonna be like moving, pushing. Okay, we have F1C, so we will see the effect after 1 hour. It depends on the news now to see what it's gonna move, how it's gonna push. Okay, because even we have both ways. The buy scenario is good as intraday, as even for the sell as swing, it's like it's good. Let me remove again. Look, here we mark this area. Look at the daily. Okay, that same area on the 4 hours marking it. Okay, look, very strong area. So mark this area. We will see the break of this area. That's great, taking it even from here as a buy. As for the sell, if it started to push down, that's great to be like breaking this level, this candle. Okay, let's wait the news. Let's see the effect of the news, how it's gonna push the market and everything. Okay, so we go for gold now. Okay, as you can see, the gold, great, like push. Look at this push at like weekly. That was a great retracement. We took the first gold trade on this area, and then it pushed and kept pushing one way, guys. It's weekly. That's very huge, beautiful push. Okay, so for the gold sells, I'm not looking into sells honestly at all. Okay, I will wait a retracement to be taking again the buy. Okay, let's go 4 hours to see. Like here, I prefer a bigger retracement. Even it might not do it. It might even break this area. As look at this, a push, consolidation, and then look at this push again. Now it's consolidating. Either ways, it's gonna retrace, break this, and push down to retrace a bigger retracement, or breaking. Oh, oh, 1 second, my screen. I think.
Hey,
Okay, sorry.
we cannot see your screen. I don't know why it's not
It got
sharing.
it got 1 second. I will share again. Okay. So because of fundamental, the gold is still too much bullish. Yeah, I'm saying about even breaking this area, it's gonna might push it for new highs again. Okay. Each break of new high, look at this push one way, broke this area, and then retrace, then broke, then retrace, consolidate. So let's see. Either ways. Okay, now it depends on the news. That's all we need to see. It might push it down more than news and then start to reverse again. Okay. It might push as a retracement to this area and then continue to push up. You see low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher highs, like super bullish. So that's why I be skeptic about sells. The sells can be scalped, not like taking it and leaving the trade. Okay. So that's for the gold. We go for the euro. Okay, euro weekly time frame. Look, sorry, months. I will show you the monthly trend first. Look at this trend, guys. Monthly, I always talk about it, and we started to talk about the cells over this area, and then one way down. Look here, it pushed, it consolidate, then it hit this. Uh, it couldn't break this trend line again, and look at this push again down. So now it pushed as a monthly and the weekly. Look at the candles, the weekly candles. Okay, even overbought. We are on overbought. So here we might have a gate like a sell great entry. Okay, let's go to the daily. Okay, the cells can start from this area, but not from this daily candle. I prefer not. If the news pushed it, leave it. Tomorrow we see the new candle. Okay, look at it at the new candle. Opening again, as we talked here, look at this double top in this trend line. So we still didn't break the trend line. But if we break this area, it's gonna continue like a little bit for a push, for more push. Okay, but here we have like strong levels. So we will see, but we might have a great opportunity for this side. If you took it and done it, you will be securing for sure on this area, like 50 pips, that's the euro. And then you leave it as swing. Okay, that's a long position. It might be if even with this area. So our entry here, it's more safer. We can take another entry with smaller lot in this area as a double top, okay? So let's see the euro. That's good. I love to go like as positions with the euro, okay? So here, look 4 hours. I wait a retracement before a break, or even it might push down to this area and then retrace and then push down. We will see where you catch it, okay? Okay, so this is for the euro. We go for Bitcoin, even Bitcoin still. Let's go weekly. As you can see here, we had a big push. The first break, this area we talked about, it's gonna push it to this area. And then one way it pushed. And then look at this rejection. And then again, a big push down. Okay. So now we reached again as a retest. Okay, we reached again as a retest to this area. And then it's reversing. That's weekly reverse, like good reversal candles. Okay. So here we need to see a better close, okay, and the break on the lower time frame to take the buy. Okay, because here we still high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So we will wait like a good confirmation as a forming like here. If we low, like let's go to the 4 hours, it's better. Okay, here, low, higher, low, higher, low. Okay, but we still didn't, يعني, we still, I need more confirmations to take the buy, even if the weekly it is that much bullish, because if we break, it's kind of a flag over here. Okay, if it broke this flag here, it's gonna push either to reach again this level and the 75, 72, 70. Like we will see. Okay, but for the buy, let's wait a good close, at least a good push. Okay. So this is it for me.
Okay, thank you, Miguel. Let me share my screen. Okay, for the USD Canadian dollar, this is the weekly. Let me put the daily. Okay, so on a daily time frame, if we check here, we will see that now we are ranging in a ranging zone. Okay, it's hard to like to see and understand what is the direction of the market now, because we are ranging in this area here. Okay, as for here, we see that the trend is going up. So during this range, we can benefit يعني, from the trades, but it's going to be a bit confusing. For example, here it was going down, then it went up. So in this area, we don't trade. We always wait for the break of this zone to understand the direction of the market to be able to take a trade and like either go into a buy or a sell. That's why we are reaching here this resistance line. If we see, look, it's like a box here. We are inside this box. Okay, so reaching here the same zone and going down, then up, down, up, down. Here we broke because we had some news, I remember that day. Okay, so it went down, we went down, then we went up. But even though we reached to the same high from previous time, and we didn't break it. Okay, also reaching here the same level, almost the same level, and going down. So we are ranging. It's hard. We cannot trade now for this, like during this period, we cannot go into a trade. That's why we wait for the break of the support. Also, the same thing for the support, reaching to this zone, then here, and not breaking. Here we broke a little bit, then it went up, then reach here, same level. Okay, so it's a ranging zone. Only by the break of this level will be the sell, because here we will be more confirmed that we will go down. We have more confirmation. As for the buy, also same thing. We have to break and go up. So here we have more confirmation that we are more into the buy and we will be going up. Okay, so mainly the indicators are not clear. So I cannot now rely on the indicators. For like other confirmations, support and resistance, we are ranging. So zero trading area. Okay, we don't trade, we wait. Okay, for the GBP USD, we are going down finally because we took the sell and I'm waiting for this trade. Halla, if we see here, what do we see? We see an uptrend because we are going up, even if we will go down a little bit because the market will take a break. But mainly we are in an uptrend. Okay, even if we go down, then we go up, then we retrace a little bit for a break, then we continue up. This should be like this. This is the Elliott waves here, the black one. So according to the Elliott waves, because we have 5 waves from the Elliott and 3 corrective waves, like here, for example, if we see, so this is the Elliott waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 corrective waves, A, B, C in the blue. So this will happen after a while. We will also see the corrective waves. But let's start like taking the trades from the wave 3, or at least now we are into wave 4. Okay, so the reversal mainly is the hardest part because we are going against the trend. The trend is going up. So that's why yesterday it hit our stop loss with 40 pips, but we have a risk management. It didn't happen from the first time. Today, we are more like, it's more preferable for the trade to happen. Of course, we have FOMC, which is the Federal Open Market Committee that happens every month, where the Federal Reserves or the bank, they take the decisions about interest rates. So it's a high impact news. That's why we stay away from the market. But now, we took already the trade, and that's why also today it was very slow. If we see here, we are still ranging in the same zone. This is 4 hour candles, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. So half of the day we stayed here in the same place because we have high impact news and people are like scared. So like decisions are made, like from central banks. So the market will become like stagnated. Okay, we will not see a high volatility, or a volume, at least like a regular volume, normal volume. So this didn't happen today. So now we are still into the sell. It is going down. So now we are in profits. But I have to see also the FOMC mainly what will happen. If the high impact news will happen now and we are already in the trade, this will not affect the funded account. So don't worry. But now if you want to take at 10 p.m. Dubai time, a trade while the FOMC will happen, here it's breaching of the rule. Okay, so according to the Elliott waves, we are expecting the down move. At least the retracement will be 38.2%, which is this level of Fibonacci, 38.2%. And then it can either continue down till 50%, okay, according to Fibonacci levels, or it might start reversing. We will see that after. But let's have first the move down. Let's start forming wave 4, and then we can like worry about wave 5 and how it will start reversing and how much it will go up. Okay, and the indicators are showing me a move down. We see this divergence here, which we have like high and it's going down. But here, the indicators will indicate prior how the market will be moving. Here we see that from here, it's going up. And here, step by step, it started showing me a down move. Okay, or at least from here. Because that was from last week. And the market was still moving. تقريبا هيك. Okay, so this is the divergence. Well, when we have a divergence, it means that the indicators are showing something and the market is in a different place. The market is going up, the indicators are showing a down move. So here we start prepare to take the sell in this case. If it was vice versa, we prefer to take we prepare to take the buy. So this is it for the GBP USD. Mainly now we are in the sell. We are waiting to see what will happen. We have a risk management, 0.5%. Okay, so we will wait for the trade to happen. Every time we reach a level of take profit, we secure part of the profits and we change the stop loss, we leave runners. Okay, so this is it for me. Now I will move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Lama, for sharing. So with respect to the silver, starting with the monthly time frame, as you can see, silver is bullish for this month. Going down for the weekly time frame, we started this week to go down after all this push up. It pushed up, retraced, and then it's pushing up, and now like we are trying to go down. For the daily time frame, as you can see here, yesterday's candle, it closed as a reversal candle, and this daily candle for today, it opened, made a wick up, and now it crossed the previous low of the previous candle and it's pushing down. So regarding the analysis, I'll make it more clear for you so that you don't get confused. I will mark the Elliott wave that I am working on now. So based on the daily time frame, as you can see, This is the Elliott wave. We have finished the wave 3. I will measure it for you based on Fibonacci. So we choose the trend-based Fibonacci extension starting from 0, 1, and we swipe to 2. As you can see, wave 3 pushed a bit above the level of Fibonacci 1. So this is wave 3, and now we are moving down to see where wave 4 might be reaching. The target for wave 4 is going to be 0.382. So now it reached the first level of 0.23. The second level would be the 0.382. So mainly, I don't think it's gonna make it tonight, but if it did on FOMC, then it is. If not, we'll be waiting tomorrow, a candle open, wick up and pushing down to reach this level. So it's gonna be an intraday trade for a sell. But mainly, silver is bullish. As you can see, this Elliott wave is going up. So if it moved all this way down, it's gonna be nice like to take a confirmed entry over here to go with a buy. As for the 4 hours time frame, and also if you can see inside of wave 3, there are also like sub waves of another Elliott waves, but I won't go through them a lot now. I just want to focus on this one. It might reach here and reverse. If not, the second scenario would be like going more down to reach also the golden zone. It might reach here 0.382 or it might reach here 0.5. So we'll be seeing how silver will move based on the news, and it's better to take a trade tomorrow, like if things like will be more clear with respect to the market. Let me check the 1 hour. Yes, basically it's not that clear to take any trade, but we'll see tomorrow how the market will react after tonight's FOMC. Mainly this is it for silver.
Thank you, Lydia. Thank you so much.